Hello everyone and welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and I'm here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. This is your second stimulus check and stimulus package update for today, June 12th. And for those of you that are part of this community and you have already subscribed, well, thank you very much and welcome back. If you're willing to help today, make sure to hit that like button and share the video, please. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, please consider subscribing. It is free after all, and I will bring you daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future. I don't know how many politicians out there will come out and announce that they are ready for another stimulus bill and another stimulus check. We already had Mitch McConnell make multiple statements supporting the next coronavirus bill. The president and the White House on multiple occasions announced their support. Obviously, the Democrats are on board as they passed the HEROES Act within 3 days of presenting it. Remember that 1,800 pages long bill that passed the House and called for a second stimulus check of $1,200? And now we have Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin confirming that the Trump administration is seriously looking at more stimulus. Yes, yesterday he announced that the US needs additional stimulus. Well, that is something we've been hearing from almost everyone up at the Hill now. He also added, and I quote, "I do think the economy is going to rebound significantly, but there is still significant damage in parts of the economy." Yeah, you're right, sir. There are a lot of parts in the US economy that will need additional stimulus. Some of those are obviously travel, retail, leisure businesses, but most of all, the main area that we need to make sure we get more finance help to is the people. I mean, honestly, I don't even know what to compare this situation to. We're in a complete standoff. No one is taking an action moving forward, while at the same time, everyone agrees that we need another stimulus bill. Help me out here, please. Find me a comparison to something you think can describe this situation the best, and let me know down in the comments, please. And also, let's like and share the video on social media so more people can see it. You know I do all those updates for you to make sure that you're aware of what is happening out there. And I appreciate you putting up with me every single day by being here. So while everyone around are looking very seriously into the next stimulus package bill and a second stimulus check, what do? Well, we stay positive and we help each other any way we can. And one way you can search for help is with your local governments. The feds are slower than molasses, and we will need to wait a little longer. But meanwhile, in Chicago, for example, residents who didn't get the first stimulus check are eligible for a city grant, including people who are not documented. That grant amount is $1,000, which is almost as much as the first stimulus check. The program, called the Chicago Resilience Fund, will help people who are undocumented, people who are part of mixed status families, dependent adults, people experiencing homelessness, people who are formerly incarcerated, college students, and many, many more that did not receive the first stimulus check. The mayor, Lori Lightfoot, announced the program on Wednesday. I have to say, Lori, you are a hero. This is a great program that I'm sure the people of Chicago will be very happy with. This is the type of action we need to see. There are many communities now doing those local stimulus checks because they see firsthand how their people are struggling and they're ready to take action. After all, the CARES Act provided the local governments with stimulus money exactly for that, to be used to help people and businesses on a local level. I wish the Congress and the White House take note from people like Lori Lightfoot, the mayor of Chicago, and start working for the people. I mean, we're seeing a surge in coronavirus cases after the reopening. I'm sure reclosing the economy is out of a question, but we're in a pickle here. Don't you agree? We're in a situation where people don't feel safe going out working and risking their health. We have protests and riots bringing more gas to the devastating 2020 that we have had so far, and people are simply not doing okay financially. So, here is a request to our lawmakers. The data is in. The economy is not doing great. The stock market is on the way down again. We're seeing spikes in new coronavirus cases. Let's get the next stimulus bill ready and provide the people with much needed financial support. Let's speed things up. I appreciate your watching this video, and so you know, I will continue to bring you daily status and stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future, working around the clock for you, sharing my content as soon as physically possible. Thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification as well. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share so more people can see it. And down in the description, you will find other helpful links to other helpful videos as well. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.